With cases surging in many places, including Alabama, health experts want to make sure everyone is doing their part. And don't forget to mask up if you've got to spend any time in Mobile in the coming days. Tomorrow is the first full weekday of the mandatory face covering ordinance going into effect for the next 30 days. Fox 10 News went to downtown Mobile today to see what you think of this mask requirement. Reporter Steve Alexander joins us live in the studio tonight. Steve, what did we hear out there?
Well, Michael, some people that we've talked to say that they're all for the mask requirement. And even in the heat and humidity, it's clear that many people are taking the threat of COVID-19 seriously. Even in late afternoon, it gets hot in Mobile. But despite that, people knew about the face mask requirement. One lady we met was eating, so she had her mask off, but she likes the requirement.
I think it's great. If I'm going to come in contact with someone 6 feet, I think it's important to have a mask on.
And she thinks the requirement is especially important for restaurant servers.
I don't think it should be a choice. I'm not going to walk into a restaurant or be served by anybody that doesn't have the mask on. Absolutely.
The order went into effect at 5 Friday evening, and for some people, it took some getting used to. This gentleman managed to sing with a mask on. Face coverings have been a big topic of discussion all weekend.
I think it's a good thing. I mean, in order to get ahead of this virus, we got to wear the mask. We got to protect each other and ourselves, actually.
Yeah, it need to go on longer than 30 days, though. And then children under 10 need to have it as well.
I think we should have did it a long time ago. Yep. I'm an essential worker, so we have our doors locked. We won't let anybody in without a mask. So, yeah, good idea.
Now, police are being encouraged to issue warnings and hand out free masks instead of handing out citations. If you'd like to get a free mask covering or face covering, you can get one tomorrow morning. The city is going to hand out the face coverings at city police stations, and that includes police headquarters and Government Street. It's going to take place Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Reporting live, Steve Alexander, Fox 10 News.
All right, Steve, thank you. Let's break down the specifics of the mask mandate in Mobile. As of Friday, everyone older than 10 years has to put on some sort of face covering if they're out in public. Now, there are exceptions, like if you're outside and can practice social distancing, or people with health conditions that limit breathing. Mobile police, as Steve had said, are being encouraged to issue warnings and hand out masks to anyone not following the rule. You could face a $50 fine the first time you're caught without a mask, or $100 anytime after that. The Pritchard City Council expected to vote on a mask mandate of its own soon. The city's Public Safety Committee passing an ordinance last week. Now the entire council could hand down their decision as soon as Tuesday. It would require everyone over the age of 10 to wear a face covering in public. First-time violators would get a warning, and further action would be up to the city administration. Saraland city leaders say there's no plan right now to issue a mask mandate, but they do encourage everyone to wear a face covering in public. For more details on ordinances across the Fox 10 viewing area, head to our website, fox10tv.com.